Welcome, today I'm showing you how to change screen recorder sound settings into a Lenovo Tab P11 second generation. First of all, open your top navigation bar and find here screen record button. If you don't have this button here, tap to pencil, scroll down, one more time, tap to pencil, scroll down, find this button in this block, hold and drag to add titles, and maybe let's try press and hold like this and drag to top to add. And now for saving your editing, tap back, and now when we add this button, press it, and before starting we got record audio option. First of all, we can activate or turn off this option by tapping here on the switcher, and if we tap on this option we can change device audio, microphone, or device audio and microphone. For example, I wanna device audio and microphone, choose this option and activate before starting. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.